Open a Nedbank My Goals and Just Save account. Register on netbankcup.co.za to stand a chance of winning money, 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 money. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Kaizer Chiefs 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. Please don't forget to subscribe. Also click the link in the description to become an official member. I'm joined by the advocate of mob justice.
Football.
I didn't know you can sing like Gila.
Football. Let's congratulate Kaizer Chiefs Football Club for standing up during in the midst where in the absentia of financial fair play, Kaizer Chiefs come. In the absentia of fair play, Magezi comes. In the absentia of financial fair play, Orlando Pirates come. Stibo, what can you say? Lifatsi, Lirobetsi.
Yeah.
Like the tendency of getting used to.
Yeah.
It's being proven each and every time that relax, my guy. Chill.
Yeah.
Imagine Europa Esperance, but Europa got Chiefs. Come as a B. Come as a B, and it's a good B. Yeah, it's a good B. I don't feel sorry for them. They deserve this.
Yeah. Sundowns.
Ibile Victor Hlungwane. Monday is late, man. We can address this issue now.
Yeah. Address it now.
The goal of Dupreez was scored in line with the correct law of the game. A clear goal.
It's done.
Monday's far, man. It was scored in line with the correct laws of the game. What can you say, man? Coach Nabi, they've been saying that he's cooking. Little did we know that they are talking that is cooking Nedbank. He cooked them so well. A 2-1, a great score. The supporters come in numbers and make sure that they rally behind their team and make sure that they win in a style. There's always a void at Sundowns. If you utilize it, you're going to beat them. There at the back. That back four, Baba.
It's shaky now.
It's shaky. And it's been proven each and every time. It's been proven each and every time that the combination of Suarez and Grant, you just need to press them a little bit.
Who's the weak link?
Suarez. And I know that they're campaigning for Grant Kegan to become a defender of the season. At what ground? I don't even know.
Yeah.
You see, Stibo?
Account
got 2 games. Come on. Now, but I can't answer that.
This is his argument. Grant has played many games.
It's fine. I was saying like the number of games that Suarez has. Mbogazi has competed more than what he has competed. 3 men of the match, 0 men of the match. But Asiko Lapo, let's talk about Kaizer Chiefs. Let's also give them the flowers. Coach came. Coach Peter once said something very boldly. He says, if you want something, say it, that I want it. They've been writing boards saying that Nedbank is our last hope. Indeed, today it has been confirmed that Mamelodi Sundowns is walking away with African Bank. That one it has been confirmed. But I also have a good advice for them. Opening a card of Nedbank is free of charge. They can go and open that one. Meanwhile, they are taking a cup of African Bank. They can go and do that. They say it that Nedbank is our last hope. They came. Bruce Vuma, he does a little bit of mistake there, organizing his wall and also stand behind his wall, not timing the other angle. Beautiful goal by Mrembula that continue to score those free kick, continue to score in a long range. I mean, as it stands, is the best free kick taker at Mamelodi Sundowns, and continue to do that because when it's a close, it's a sold-out affair. That's when Mrembula, he'll be able to come. It just unfortunately, Duba, I think he was the missing link for Kaizer Chiefs Football Club because he's the one of those guys that inspire them, keep on pressing. He's a young guy, but with a heart of a lion. Yeah. He said it before on the game of T&Cs Galaxy that we are going to beat them. He led by example and make sure that he scored the first goal, a goal that comes from a mistake. By just pressing them hard, you just have to have an off ball which is a bit quicker so that you can be able to punish them and score Mzansi's number one. Yeah. Second goal, Udupris, it comes across and they score and they just say thank you. I think there is something that we must address. Mamelodi Sundowns usually in a domestic cups, once they lead, they will be able to come and cover them and beat them. Yeah. They did the same when they were beating Umakezi 1-0. Makezi comes and beat them 2-1. They did the same when they were playing against Orlando Pirates. We came, usually on the last minutes, they started to play for extra time and forgetting that even on plus minutes, you can still walk out of the cup. So that's one of the mistakes that I feel like it's keeping on repeating each and every time. I think it's a theory of saying if Sundowns scored first, you will be able to cover and beat them just like that. The back four, it was a bit tested because you see Dove and Msimango starting that side. Usually you find Inek Miguel, you also find Dotley, but you can see even on the last mistake where Udove make mistake, today he came and he own up into his mistake and make sure that he play. Gross as well. There's a need where you be lambash some of the players, but you need them on the crucial moment. That's where you need Gross and all other players that they come and play today. I know that they've been praising and giving Lucas Ribeiro a lot of airtime, but it's a guy that will go and hide when it's a big occasion. I've questioned that one and say, okay, you can compare Ribeiro with Mofokeng, but where was he in Bombela? Where was he at Moses Mabhida? History does not recognize losers, Thibo. You must stand the heat. KP were there when Chiefs was being beaten up and down, but are you going to judge them when they celebrate in other way that they want to celebrate Kaizer Chiefs? You won because they were there. They stand the fire. They were there on the big occasion. That's where I tend to question the quality of Ribeiro. But the youngster does not have a place at Mamelodi Sundowns. We must say that. If you're a youngster, you want to play, come here. You play here. Yeah. Where's Malibongwe Khoza? Where's Litlaku? Where's other youngsters who already this year they are not going to promote any DDC player as it stands? Because if 41 cannot play, what does that mean? It means that the next graduate will not get the space because we don't have time to build here. We have time for results. Where are the results? Because MTN, total pass, total fail, Carling Cup, total fail, now Nedbank Cup, total fail. Is it guaranteed? Because Pirates is there. It's giving them pressure. They can feel it even on the league. That's why they will say that raise the white flag, because they can feel that the pressure is coming. We know that they are going to curtain race on the Club World Cup. Yeah. We are aware of that. But we will rally with them on the CAF Champions League because they're a South African team. And we wish to watch a final between Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns. Should that happen, that we really love to watch, Thibo. The issue of all home games, they didn't lose. They just chose not to travel away. Because they've been playing away or at home. But when you have to go to Moses Mabhida, just imagine a final without a sold out, because you were not going to do it alone. But if Chiefs is coming on board, it's guaranteed. It's going to be the sold out on the 10th of May. Stibo, thank you very much. Let's appreciate you. You did 2 games today. an effort from the channel, effort from everyone that participated, more especially those seasoned fans, seasons analysis, because we come with different categories. However, let's call it a night.
Thank you very much.